Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, आज हम अपना जो टॉपिक हम पिछले दिनों पढ़ रहे थे फ्रॉम द डायरी ऑफ ए यंग गर्ल, इसी को आज हम फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो आज हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे। Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. Annie Frank is basically a writer. He is writing diary and इस राइटिंग में वो अपने घर के हालात और अपने क्लासरूम के हालात बयान करती हैं। तो ग्रैंड माँ के बारे में वो बोलते हैं कि शी डाइड इन जनवरी 1942। उसकी जो दादी थी वो 1942 में मर गई। नो वन नोज हाउ ऑफन आई थिंक ऑफ हर एंड स्टिल लव हर एंड द गर्ल सेज दैट शी इज स्टिल लविंग हर ग्रैंड मदर वेरी मच। दिस birthday celebration in 1992 was intended to make up for the other, and grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. And there was the birthday celebration in 1902, which was intended to make up for the others. This was, the purpose of this celebration was to make up for the others, and at that time grandmother's candle was lighted. She was light up along with the rest. इसकी जो रोशनी शम्मा जलाए गए वहाँ पर बर्थडे पार्टी पर। The four of us are still doing well. And that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. Annie says that the four of us means four students are well, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942. And she is remembering the date 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my day, and she is still thinking about the dedication of her diary. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quaking in the boost. Our entire class means हमारा जो पूरा क्लास है वो quaking in its boost means shaking with fear and nervousness. वो fear खूब ज़्यादा है, quaking in boost है, खूब ज़्यादा है, nervous है. The reason of course is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Because there is a meeting going on about the students who will be promoted, who will be promoted and who will be left behind. कौन बच्चा आगे जाएगा और कौन बच्चा, तभी सभी बच्चे जो है बहुत ही नर्वस है। Half the class is making best means जो निसब क्लास है वो बेस्ट तकरीबन कामयाब हो जाएंगे। GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. There is one more student GN and Annie. They are laughing at their selves because there are two other students behind them, C and Jakes, who have staked their entire holiday saving on their best. Who have staked means share. Who have shared their entire holiday savings on their best. From morning to night, it is you are going to pass. No, I am not. We are talking from since morning to the evening that So somebody is saying that you are going to pass, somebody is saying that I am not, yes you are, no I am not. So these are the talks going on between the students. Even GS pleading glances and my angry outbursts can't calm them down. So GN is pleading glances, he is looking towards us, and I am very much angry, which outbursts they will that will not calm them down, that will not cool them down. Calm down means cool down. If you ask me, there are so many dominies. If you will ask me, there are so many stupid persons. Dominies means stupid persons, that about a quarter of the class should be kept back, because and there are so foolish students that quarter of the class should be kept back, they should be failed. But teachers are the most unpredictable creatures but the teachers are the unpredictable persons. Unpredictable means not able to be known in advance, जिनको पहले ही नहीं बताते हैं कि कौन बच्चा पास है कौन फेल है. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. Annie says that she is not very much worried about the girlfriends and herself. We will make it. We will get through. हम पास हो जाएंगे. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. Annie says that जो subject जिसमें मुझे कमजोरी लगती है that is maths. Anyway, all we can do is wait. So what we have to do, we have to wait. हमें खाली इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Until then we keep telling each other not to lose heart, and till then we are saying each other we should not lose heart, we should be confident. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Teachers are loving me all. There are 9 of them. There are 9 teachers. 7 among them are men and 2 are women. Mr. Keesing, the old fogey. Mr. Keesing, the old-fashioned person who is teaching us maths, was annoyed with me. He was always angry with me. Annoyed means angry with me, angry with Annie for ages, because I talked so much, because Annie was talking so much. She was she was talking very much, and her teacher means this Mr. Keesing, he was very much annoyed with her. After several warnings, he has given me so much warnings. He has given me several warnings. He assigned me extra homework, and later on he assigned her extra homework. बाद में उसने मुझे और ज़्यादा काम डाला. An essay on the subject, and he has assigned essay for the girl, for Annie, to write a chatterbox, and the name of the essay is Chatterbox. A chatterbox, what can you write about that? A chatterbox means a talkative person. वो मैं क्या उसके बारे में लिख सकती? I would worry about that later, and she was very much worried about that chatterbox. I jotted down the title in my notebook. So later on she decided, Annie ने बाद में वो decide किया कि मैं कुछ न कुछ लिखूं, and she jotted down means write down. He write down the title in her notebook, tucked it in my bag, and she tucked it, and she put it safely in her bag and tried to keep quiet, and later on she tried to keep, और वो खामोश बैठ गई. That evening, after I would finish the rest of my homework, and during the evening when he finished the rest of the homework, जो बाकी काम जो homework था जब मैंने वो ख़त्म किया, the note about the essay caught my eye. Now when I looked towards the notebook, and I saw there was a note, chatterbox, I began thinking about the subject. Now she is thinking about the subject, about the chatterbox. What should she write on that subject? While chewing the tip of my fountain pen, she is chewing, वो चबा रही है जो फाउंटेन पेन उसका था, उसकी जो टिप थी वो चबा रही थी, और इस चैटरबॉक्स सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सोच रही थी. Anyone could ramble on. कोई भी ramble on हो सकता है, talk in a confused way. कोई भी रेम्बल ऑन हो सकता है, कन्फ्यूजडली बात कर सकता है इस पर, एंड लीव बिग स्पेसेस बिटवीन द वर्ड्स, और वर्ड और वर्ड के दरमियान में बहुत जगह रख सकता है, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा काम का बातें कर सकता है. बट द ट्रिक वॉज टू कम अप विथ कन्विंसिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. बट देयर इज ए ट्रिक, वी हैव टू कम अप विथ कन्विंसिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. हमें कन्विंसिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स लिखने हैं, टू प्रूव द नेसेसिटी ऑफ टॉकिंग, एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव द नेसेसिटी ऑफ टॉकिंग, यानी बात करने की जो ज़रूरत है उसको हमें प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. I thought and thought. The girl says that she thought and thought, and suddenly he had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. So she wrote 3 pages on this topic, that was chatterbox, and she was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait, and she has given an argument. She argued that talking is a student's quality. Trait means quality. ये student की एक quality होती है talking, बात करना, and that I would do my best to keep it under control. And she says that she would try to keep this trait on control, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit. और मैं इस हैबिट से अपने आप को छुटकारा नहीं दे पाऊंगी. बिकॉज सिंस माई मदर टॉकड एज मच एज आई डिड इफ नॉट मोर. क्योंकि मेरी जो उसकी माँ थी वो भी इसके लगातार वो भी बातें करती रहती थी ज़्यादा. एंड दैट देयर इज़ नॉट मच यू कैन डू अबाउट इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स. और जो आपके पास इनहेरिटेड ट्रेट्स होते हैं, क्वालिटी दैट वन गेट्स फ्रॉम वनस पेरेंट्स, वो हो गए इनहेरिट ट्रेट्स. जो माँ बाप से हमें ट्रेट मिलते हैं उसमें हम कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं. वो ट्रेट तो हमारे अंदर मौजूद रहता है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इसके आप मानी लिख सकते हैं या आप देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू.